The experiment that we are going to do today is about determining unsaturation in the given oil samples. As you may be aware that some of the oils are unsaturated. They will contain carbon double bond carbon, and this can be tested with the help of bromine water. So for today's experiment, the material and the equipment required will be, we are using the oil samples. You can see several oil samples over here, like sunflower oil, olive oil, palm oil, corn oil, and coconut oil. In order to determine the unsaturation, we will be using bromine water. Whenever you are testing with bromine water, it should be performed in the fume cupboard. This bromine water reacts with the double bond, leading to discoloration of the bromine water. In addition to this, we will be requiring things like test tubes, droppers, etc. Please note that this experiment is a qualitative analysis. So by the color change, we are going to recognize if the oil sample that we are using is a saturated sample or an unsaturated sample. For the experiment, we will take around 1 ml of the oil sample. We have chosen olive oil over here. And we have taken around 1 ml of the oil sample. Now we are going to put a few drops of bromine water. We are going to shake and see if the color of bromine water disappears. As you can see, the color of the bromine water has disappeared, and this shows that the oil is unsaturated. The next sample that we are going to take is coconut oil. So we will take around 1 ml of the coconut oil in a test tube. And put a few drops of bromine water. Remember to replace the lid of bromine water bottle immediately, and now shake the mixture to see if the color disappears. You can see that coconut oil is taking more time to disappear. The bromine water discoloration is taking more time. As you can see, the color has not disappeared completely, and it is taking more time to disappear. Coconut oil has a mix of saturated and unsaturated acids. In fact, the percentage of saturated acids is very high in coconut oil, and hence the color is taking more time to disappear. The next sample that we are going to use is corn oil. So we will take around 1 ml of corn oil sample in the test tube. And we will add to it a few drops of bromine water. We will replace the lid and then shake the mixture of oil and bromine water. As you can see, complete discoloration of bromine water has taken place. The color of bromine water has disappeared, and this shows presence of unsaturation in the corn oil. The sample that we are using now is palm oil, and we will take 1 ml of palm oil in the test tube. To this palm oil, again we are going to add a few drops of bromine water. This experiment should always be performed in the fume cupboard. Add a few drops of bromine water and shake the mixture of oil and bromine water to observe whether the color of bromine disappears. As you can see, there is discoloration in the bromine water. It has decolorized completely, and this shows presence of unsaturated fatty acids in the oil, or you can say it is an unsaturated sample of the oil. One of the samples that we are using is that of sunflower oil. So we will take 1 ml of the sunflower oil and pour it in the test tube. To this sunflower oil, we are going to add a few drops of bromine water. And shake the mixture of oil and bromine water completely, vigorously, to see if there is a color change. As you can see, the color of bromine water has disappeared completely, and this shows presence of unsaturated bonds in the oil sample.